Bonjour, my name is Bello Idris. I'm a final year mechatronics engineering student at the Nile University of Nigeria, and I'm a beneficiary of the Nile University's Employers Partnership Initiative.
I interned at ULESING as a result of the employer partnership opportunities here at Nile University of Nigeria. My name is Gampil Shagaya. I'm a computer science graduate of Nile University of Nigeria.
My name is Osaze Ogedegbe. I am a graduate of Nile University of Nigeria from the Department of Information Technology. While I was a student here, I benefited from the Nile University Employability Partnership through the Career Service Center, which led me to land a 3-month internship at Putin Consulting and then go on to become a full-time staff as a data insight analyst.
Before I came to Nile University, I had no idea about that. I didn't even know it was a program. But then when I transferred in 200 level, my friend Jadisola introduced me to the career services, where I learned all about that.
I found out about these opportunities through the Career Service Department. They frequently hosted webinars comprising of resume writing, to interview preparations, to network strategies. What drew me to apply was the internship role I was applying for and my academic background.
It all started last year when the Career Service arranged a career fair for the outgoing students. But at that time, I was a student ambassador, so I wasn't exactly participating in the career fair. I was just sort of working and making sure the events went smoothly. But while looking forward to participating in my final year, leading to that day, I came fully prepped, my CV fully suited up, and I was really excited to enter and really try to find a job at the fair. I saw Putin Consulting being filled with so many people because they had really nice souvenirs. Everyone was trying to get a souvenir, but I tried to see what they're really about, and that's when I found out that they were a consulting company which I really wanted to work at, and they were looking for a data analyst, and that was in line with what I did, so I just applied.
On the Nile University community, they regularly post about internship and employment opportunities, and in February they posted about the French Plus Sciences program. And I'd been learning French on Duolingo for about 3 years with like barely any progress. So it's kind of drew me in, and the fact that I could also learn about nanotechnology was a plus, and that's why I chose to apply.
The internship experience at ULESING was very transformative. It allowed me to develop problem-solving skills. While at ULESING, I created bonds with professional mentors, such as the ex-CEO, AY, the product manager, Mr. Joshua Tarifa, and my direct manager, Mr. Samuel Afolabi. ULESING fostered teamwork and collaboration, which in return resulted to a positive work experience for me.
The internship was really practical. I always say this anywhere. Coming in from the first day, we were onboarded by Emmanuel, we call him Smiles, and Halimat, we call her Lima or Lima Moli. They really took their time to onboard us. We had several meetings that Monday. They made sure that we had gotten all the tools, we had registered for everything, and by the end of the day, we were fully, as we would say, fully simpletons.
The internship with Campus France was transformative because I got to meet people from different cultures, Indians, Singaporeans, people from Estonia, and also professionally, I got to learn nanotechnology, work in a clean room, things I'd never imagined before. And then the city was small, so I regularly saw the same people on the bus, and it was just nice saying hello to each other every morning, and it was like, felt like home a bit.
I also like to thank Mr. Timain because he has really been instrumental to my both personal and professional growth. He has really tried to make sure that not just me, but all the interns at Putin Consulting are developing and are meeting our full potentials.
Looking back, I would give thanks to my professional mentors, as I mentioned earlier. I'll give thanks to the Career Service Department, especially Mr. Chubuzo Azodo. I'll give thanks to my faculty advisor, Dr. David Clements. These people have been a shining light in my journey. They allowed me fall, they allowed me make mistakes, but they also showed me the way forward. And overall, a big thank you to Nile University of Nigeria for creating this experience for the students.
I would say Nile University, especially the career services and their employer partner with Campus France and Monsieur Sebastian Bede, meeting Lucy at CLR and Frederick for helping us get used to the system fast, and my friends that I made over there, Rishika, Howal, Niranjana, Ore, and I'm really grateful for the opportunity to have met people and worked in the Fem2ST lab.
My name is Osaze Ogedegbe. I'm a graduate of Nile University of Nigeria from the Department of Information Technology.
My name is Gampel Shagaya. I'm a computer science graduate of Nile University of Nigeria.